hair is. Let me take a picture.
I just started my live stream. What are you doing?
Let me look behind.
He's so stupid. That's my mom. Tigger.
Anybody on there?
I know.
Oh, well. It doesn't matter then.
It matters. I still want to do work, so. Hi, buddy. Hi. Tigger, you're so stupid. What are you screaming about? Look at this woman.
Look at without the iPad. No, not Brooke.
I am evil. Oh yeah, also, I got my hair straightened by my mom.
Hairdresser mama.
Literally, she has never worked in hairdressing in her life. She just does that. Hey, Tigger. This is a stupid cat right here. Look at him. But anyways, let's actually get on to the work part. You have a fiber on your ear, Tigger. It's not even a fiber. It's like weird. Like, but wait, is the sun coming in? What was that?
You're gonna do the math.
I will. I'm just petting the boy. Meow. Look, that's what this guy sounds like. He sounds like meow. He's like meow. He's like meh. Okay. Tigger, you meh. Hi. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. Anyways, oh my gosh, look at this baby. She beeps. She beeps. She beep. There's a baby that beep. She beep. She beep. Oh my. Look at that face. Look at the face. Look at the face. Where is he? He's so silly. Desi, are you okay? Honey. She's so cute. Anyways, on to the math stuff now. No one's on the stream, so I can do whatever I want. Anyways, I need paper. Okay. Let's just get some printer paper or something. I was gonna say if no one's sleeping in here, but chances are either my cat is sleeping in here or my stepfather. Neither are in here. So I'm just gonna get printer paper. Oh, shoot. Oh, bye printer. Oh, what is it? Okay. Actually, you know what? I forgot to make like a little thing online. So maybe I can put like, if it's possible, I can edit the description again. Touch up. Guys, I'm retouched. It doesn't change anything. It just makes it smoother a little bit. It's kind of cool. So, oh my gosh, the void. Oh, he's coming to the door. Saya, what goes on in your mind on this fine day? Saya, would you like to come into the warm house, Saya? Saya, it's like 47 degrees outside. Would you like to come inside? Saya? 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 Are you gonna come in, bro? Okay, I'll just say hi to Saya. Hi, Saya. Hi, Saya. Hi, Saya. Come in the house. It is much, much warmer in thine house. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's torch fuel on the table. That's cool. Why are you up at 4 a.m. in India. What are you doing, Crico Cars? Okay, well anyways, now that we actually have someone on stream, I guess I gotta do something now. So, where is my computer? Alright. So, I'm gonna do stuffs. I don't exactly know how to turn on computer. Computer. Please, I need it. Anyways, it's not turning on. Give me a moment. Okay. So. Sam. Okay. There it is. Why are all of my cord here? I didn't even put these here. What the heck? What is going on? Something happening. Well, anyways. Hey, Sammy. She's baby. Anyways. Okay. Oh, it's gone. Apparently. Oh wait, why did I plug that into my iPad? Back at this. Oh, it's apparently not right. There we go. Okay. So for some reason I was an idiot and I didn't set this up beforehand, but it's fine, y'all. It's fine. It just means that people who are like 15 minutes late will still make it to the stream. Woohoo! This does not look good. It's like I do not need lighting. I need less light actually, so I can actually, because it's like bleh, and I can't like cause it's bleh. But yeah, you get it. I'm just gonna turn the light on over here. My cat is judging me right now. Look. And now she's not. Bro. That's mid. Anyways. Come on. Computer, turn on. You have battery life. I know you do. What?
Are there people on there?
Not yet. There was one human from like India at 4 a.m. for some reason. Oh my gosh, I remember playing that. Well, anyways, alright, so open a new page in Google Chrome. Go on the stream, I guess. There's a stream on here called Sandwich, and apparently, like, there's freaking 320 people watching. That's ridiculous. Well, anyways. I'm gonna open this up. Not the image. The link. Ah. Oh, yeah. Open it. Okay. So now, I'll be able to watch myself. What the heck? Okay, yippee! So now, I'll be able to watch myself. What the heck? Okay, yippee! Well, anyways, now it's doing that. Let's go. Okay. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna share my screen. Maybe I can make like a Google Meet and then I can put, yeah. Ah! My cat is catting. She's trying her best, y'all, don't worry. Anyways. So I'm probably gonna make a Google Meet and then let people join it because I'll be showing my screen. Okay. And then okay, be quiet. And then I just need to share my screen with like an online sketch thing or something. Okay. I'm gonna do Excalibur because I'm insane. And I don't know what it is. So, what is Kitty doing? Oh, I know about this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this into the chat. Whee! How long does it take for them to appear? What the heck? Oh. Oh! Human that just joined, I am so sorry for you. I'll try and help with that. Oh my gosh. Who is your teacher, bro? They sound not good. Okay, well anyways, there's a Google Meet link in the chat. You can go to that and basically you don't have to show your camera and or microphone because we got that right there. There's literally a chat right there or right there depending on like what you're on. I don't know where the chat is. It's somewhere, but basically if you join the meet, then oh wait, are there 2 people waiting already? Oh, never mind. Okay, dang it. Basically, join the meet, and then you can see the stuffs. Okay, this is literally the exact same software we used in a science thing. Oh, shoot. My math test is tomorrow. I'm lucky. I'm kidding. I am so sorry for you. I hope you got at least a high grade on it, like at least an 85 on your math test, bro. Okay, and then, oh, no, okay. Oh. Okay. Formatting, yippee. All right. You can see that? Okay, good. I don't know what you mean by that. Revising the drawings? What? You mean like the thing where you go like or whatever with the numbers or something? Is that what you're talking about? Or like, cause it's like a little, so, there we go. Okay. Okay. All right, so I got the meeting thing. Go to wherever the chat is. There's a link there, and you basically join that link on like your computer or something or whatever, and you're probably gonna see something like that. This thing here. It says welcome to the stream, y'all. So, yeah. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take some stuff from my review that I did not finish in class. I finished like most of it, but not all of it. Plus, she literally put the answers on the review so we could check ourselves. So, hold on. Okay, let me find this like really quickly. I think it's in here. Yeah, it's in here. Okay. Oh, whoops. So, I have notes and stuff. And, what screen? The shared screen thing? Yeah, there's not supposed to be any questions currently. I'm waiting for questions, and I'm probably... Oh, that. Honey, we're factoring. Or we're not doing triangles and stuff. I'm in advanced algebra. I don't do geometry yet. That's for next year. But yeah, basically I got like half that wrong. But I did work, and I can do some of the factoring questions and stuff. So yeah, I will try my best. Again, I'm also a little bit kusal at this. So, yeah. Anyways, can y'all see the thing? Are y'all in here? Oh. Okay, you're in here. Okay, got it. So, okay. Do you have like any questions? What? Oh. Yeah, factoring is like, where are my notes? Okay. I know you probably know about it because you seem like you are older than me, at least in 10th grade. But, the factoring thing is like the whatever this is. What?
Driving me crazy with the uhs and oots and uts. Speak clearly.
I'm a human. This isn't edited.
I know, speak clearly. Confidently.
Anyways. So this is the factoring thingy. Yeah. But then again, we also have to do, where is it? Okay, I'll just take a question from literally my homework. It's like the freaking 6y plus, no, where is the, I'll just do this because there's not a power 2 feature on my computer because it's stupid. And 4y. No, it's minus. And then it's this. I hate these questions. They are idiots. I don't like factoring. But yeah, look, it may be easy for you, I cried over it. So, and also, this stream is to help people who need it with factoring. The title literally says factoring stream. Yes, I have to factor. I have a test tomorrow, like you did today. So, yes, we do indeed have to factor. And also, okay, where is it? Actually, that was the wrong equation. Okay, here. This is good, but it's like the 2x to the power 2, and then plus 7x plus 3. And then it's like divided by 2. Yeah, that, yeah. And that's why I made the stream for it. I freaking hate it. So, if people that aren't on the chat cannot see the screen, this is what I put. That's the equation on my homework. So, I'm gonna attempt to explain it the best I can. Also, there's 3 people in the stream, and there's only one other person in the chat, it looks like, in the Google thing. So, again, there's 0 people in the meet. So, if you're not in it, join. Thank you. Anyways, what the heck happened to the computer? Ew. Okay. So, okay. All right, I'm just gonna explain here. Where is it? Okay. So, let's say this is A. It's obviously to the power of 2 because why wouldn't it be? And then you got B, and then you got C. And the humans like to divide that by 2 or whatever. Why? I don't know. They're stupid, usually. But, like, and it can also be, like, 3x or 5x or negative 5 bajillion x. I don't like it either. And so I'm just gonna do, because this text doesn't center on its own, number. Wait, never mind. There's a text align feature right here. There we go. Yay. Yippee. Okay. Again, if you're not on the stream thing, this is what it looks like. You got this. Got it? Okay, got it. All right. So this is the number, and then it's squared, and then this is another number with x also, and then this is the third number, no x. So according to what my teacher wants to do, here, I'll actually just stand this up. I have a tripod. I don't really want to get that right now. Let's see if this works. That's gonna fall over. Okay. What the heck? This place is so messy. All right. Let's see if I can do it like that and it'll still show. There we go. Okay. So, what my teacher wants us to do is, where's my notes? So, apparently, you multiply the number, oh my gosh, this is weird and wonky and I hate it. Okay, so you multiply the number for A, I'm doing this because it's a number times another number, and that's why I put N2. I need to check if there's anyone that yapped or whatever. Yeah, basically. This was the question for my homework. I hate focus. I reverted it to the formula, and then that's basically what we're doing. There can be multiple different numbers because they're annoying. And yep, basically. So like Usman said, let me check the comments again. I'm reading this right off the comments. You multiply A and C together, find the multiples that fit with B, and then change it to that, and then factorize. Yeah, basically that. And also, there's the same thing over here. Insert up arrow here. I guess that's supposed to be like an up arrow. I don't like ASCII. My computer is screaming at me. Well, anyways. Focus. Okay. Ignore the update. Yeah, okay. Focus. There we go. Yeah. So, that's what it's supposed to be. And for this is what it looks like. I'm going to grab this. Oh, no, I don't want to grab the whole thing. No, I want to grab this. So, and also, if you have a greatest common factor, which I'll just make another question that you can actually divide stuff by. If you have a greatest common factor, then find that, wait, hold on. Was that actually the question I have here? Okay, actually, this was x plus 3. It can be an x plus or minus something too. So, oh wow, what the heck? All right. Basically, why is this not focusing? I hate YouTube. Come on. All right. So you have the 4x to the power 2 plus 12x plus 8. You can divide that by the greatest common factor. Usually this number right here, if you can't see it, it's what? Real. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna actually stop sharing this because like it's not needed. Oh no, it's you. Anyways, I'm gonna end this call. Bye humans. Just leave the call. Ugh, leave the call. 1-star audio. Absolutely horrid. It was horrible. So, anyways, as I was saying, okay, love you too platonically, I guess. Anyways, so, yeah, okay. Hey, yay. Okay. Maybe I can stand this up more so then it doesn't get my hand in the camera. There we go. Yay. Now it doesn't get my hand in the camera and you can see the mouse and stuff. Woohoo! Yay! Oh, I'm Brooke. Hello. Yeah. There are other children that go with me to my school, and for some reason, some of them are obsessed with me. I don't understand why, and I'm a little bit terrified. Anyways. So about that, I'm going to scroll out a little bit. There we go. That's better. Yay. Okay. So if you have this and... Okay. Obviously, 3 can't go into this. 2 can go into this, but it's not big enough. We want it to be big. Also, yes, I do have fans. Indeed. I don't know how, but I got like 15 subscribers from my piano video, and I'm a little scared again. So, 2 doesn't go into, well, 2 does go into this, but it's too small, and we want the biggest thing because it's called the greatest. I'm going to type this out to make an emphasis. Greatest. Greatest. It's called the greatest common factor because it's great and great. Be quiet, Clanker. Why is it using this now? I don't know. Get out. Just give me the definition of great. It's not that hard. It was literally right there. Dude, here we go. Okay. It's not letting me not use the clanker, but great means big. Biggest. Yes. So that's why it's called the greatest common factor. Anyways, as I was saying, we want to find the greatest common factor. So 4 can go into all of this. 5 cannot go into all of this because it's too big. So therefore, 4 is our greatest common factor for this question. And then it just reverts it to this. Or, well, yeah, and then you do like this thing here. Right, wait, hold on. I'm stupid. Oh, it's 4. Okay, so that'd be... Hold on, my brain is not braining right now. It doesn't brain often. Okay. Come on. Get out. Okay. So this device be 4. What? Didn't I just say the greatest common factor was 4? Why isn't that 4? Okay, I get it now. Okay, so X is just going to be 2, and we're going to put the 4 right here, like that. And 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Whoa, I'm so shocked. Anyways, so now we have this. And according to my notes that are stupid, we need to do this thing and copy paste and completely obliterate the 4. Like so. And you can get rid of the brackets because there's like nothing outside the brackets, so you're fine. It's not dying. It's just there. But anyways, you remember this thing we were doing earlier? Yes, that's actually important. So since my iPad fell over, since X isn't necessarily a number that we can multiply, we'll just assume it's 1 and do 1 times 1. If you're fancy, do 1 over 2, but I literally don't care. And this is B here. B is stupid, and I don't like B because it's bad. B is for bad. And so then you have 2 here. 2 can only do 2 times 1 because it's 2. 2 is prime. So then, okay, I'm going to just real quick organize this. And this is if you're doing the thingy here. Here we go. Okay. Why is it not selecting it? Dude, can I not? This is stupid. Oh, I have to move each individual one. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Remove this very bad arrow. And yeah. So right now it's just one number that can be multiplied or whatever. So I'll just do this. Okay, so now we're here. And it's a little bit hard for me to do this because I'm not writing on paper. I usually do this on paper, but okay, let's just grab this too. Yay! It's not in line. Here. Okay. We're here now. So basically, since the x to the power 2 is in the front and the 1s are in the front, you want to go like x here, and then I'm going to do minus, because usually whenever I draw, I do a minus so that I can just change it into a plus later. And it's like really easy and I don't have to erase it. So I just, oh, shoot, okay. I just do that, so then it's, I hate this thing, this freaking software. Okay, so then I just leave it like this. Yes, this is American maths, indeed. I don't like American maths either. So, anyways, you have x, it's gonna be either minus or plus. So x minus what? Since these are both 1s, and since these are both 1s, that's x, and since this is 2 and 1, it kind of doesn't matter. And then you do this. So, because this is a positive right here, both of these are going to be positive. If it's a negative, then there's a choice. Either it can be like this, or it can be the other way around. Or it can be both negatives. Oh, nice! Good luck! Go do your history exam. I genuinely wish you luck. You got this. Woo! Anyways. So, now we have this. Because, again, this is 1. And also, if it was 2, then it would either be 2x here or just x here. If this here, I don't like this computer. This, if that was 2 or if this was 2, then it'd be either 2x here or 2x here. So, thank you so much, Crickle Cars. I love your username, by the way. Anyways, as I was saying, so I don't know why, but for some reason, you can either multiply these here or multiply these here. Like, you can either do that, multiply these and then these to get the answer, like so. Where's the plus button? Here we go. And then because 2 plus 1, there's no 1 because it's just an x. You can do 1x if you want. That's not freaking, we're not doing quantum physics. You can do 1x if you want, but for me it's just a lot to write. And then, woo, it's 3x, we got it, yay. And that's how you know this is right. But anyways, then now you know that this is right. I'll teach you another way to do it, which is apparently the longer way. Screw the longer way. What the heck? We have so many notes. I'm not even kidding. Look at all this here. And also, you can do like little examine if you want of my notes. Also, I almost fell asleep in the classroom while doing this. So that's another part of why I don't really get it. And this is my deranged notes. And whenever I was trying to figure it out, didn't get it. And then these are special cases. These aren't filled out because my teacher just didn't want to fill them out. But as I was saying, we're not doing that right now. Hold on. Okay, the longer way. Yeah. I'm honestly just gonna write this out because for me, my brain is not physically working because I'm not writing it. So, oh yeah, I forgot. I literally have a drawing pad. Hello. Well, anyways, I'm still gonna write it down because I'm petty. Where's blank spot? Here we go. Okay. Okay, so x plus 2 and x plus 1, right? I'm fighting the iPad. That is not working. I'm not going to bite the iPad. Okay, so that, and you can apparently go like this, and then this, and then this, and then this. Which just physically does not check out to me. Why would you do that? But if you want to do the shorter method, then, oh my gosh, ew. Also, I found this on the ground. It is so cute. Anyways, let's just erase that. Return to nothing. Anyways, why is this not leaving? There we go. I guess it just wasn't in the right spot. Okay. And if you're not stupid, then you're probably going to do it the easier way unless your teacher is physically requiring you to do it the harder way. This is how I do it. I go here, and then I go here, like that. And you still get, like, the same answer. If we're doing this first, that's 2x plus 2, and then you have x to the power 2, and then you have x. So combining this all, it's probably not correct because, as you can see, we wrote down. Oh, never mind. That does say 3x. Yippee. Okay, that's good. So basically, it's supposed to look like, where is my pen? This one here at the end of the equation. And it's starting to look like that so far. But anyways, you got this? You have this and this. So you add that and you get 3x. But this goes before it because of the exponent. So x to the power 2 plus 3x. And then you have the plus 2 because it has no x. And whoa, guys, look at that. We did it! It's the same! And so, basically, that's how you... My cat is screaming at my mom right now. That's how you know this is this, and that's like your proof or whatever. So, since I don't have... Oh my gosh. Since I don't have any other questions to do, I really wish I had another camera so I could go like, boop, and then it'd like show up on the side of the screen, and then it'd be like, or whatever, but I don't. So, maybe I can get something to hold it up like that. I'll try my best. Hi, Sammy. Okay. I'm done going like with my cat. So I'm gonna grab my unfinished dark cacao cookie Citadel thing. I'm so sad that I didn't finish this. It was gonna look so good! And I literally hit the remove like this entire area. I know. But yeah. Anyways, maybe that'll work. Let's try. Abso-freaking-lutely not. Oh, it's hard now though, yay. Maybe I can just hold it like this. This is gonna be really annoying. I'm just gonna go get my tripod very quickly. Excuse me, humans. Hold on. Becky. I'm gonna go do that. Bye. If you can even see me. I got a tripod. Let's go. Okay. So now we should be able to see a lot better. Yoink! Woo! Y'all are flying! Woo! Oh my gosh, this is so hard to manage. That is why I don't like tripods. Maybe I can just do this and then it'll show. Whatever, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. Hello, Doug. Okay, let's move in here now. Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay. And we're almost good. Yay! Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. We're not done yet. Okay, here we go. Yay! Okay, now you can see me actually writing and stuff. This is gonna be way easier for me. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's pretend that didn't just almost fall over. This is not like, there we go. It's not like trying to bend or whatever. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Okay, we're good now. Yay! All right, so now y'all can actually see me writing and stuff. So I'm just gonna take a problem from my homework. I'm gonna do this one right here. I know the answer's right there. We'll get to that. I said my teacher put the answers on the work. So basically, I'm just gonna do this on the work because why not? So I always write the equation out whenever I'm doing it.
She was in Stephen Lee's front yard.
The cat?
So I grabbed her.
Oh my gosh.
You want me to close the door?
The shenanigans that go on in this house, y'all. Y'all have no idea. So anyways, oh, no, don't fall. No, don't, no. This is why I don't use tripods. Okay, I'm not gonna let it lean. I'm wrestling a tripod. Okay. Can you not, like... I hate this, oh my gosh. Okay. Just hold it like this and hope for the best. Okay. So basically, 10y to the power 4 minus 15 to y to the power 3 plus 5y to the power 2. Obviously, they're... Stop unfocusing, bro. Hello? Camera. Pay attention. Camera. Oh my gosh, I hate this thing. So, 10y to the power 4. I already explained this. I'm not explaining it again. Okay. So, since this clearly has a common denominator, finally it scrolled in. Since this clearly has a greatest common denominator, it's 5, right? Because you can't put 10 into 5. Yeah, okay. So, we divide this entire thing by 5. And because of that, we put a 5 right here. And also the 5 has to be a y and a 2, because the biggest one in here is 2. See? And so you do 2 like that. Oh, and then you take this and you do bracket here. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And since we're doing this thing, y4 minus y2 is y2. Why is it like that? I hate you. Anyways. Thank you, Mama did it. Well, anyways. Okay, so why the heck is it this? That don't make sense. But anyways, my parents, one of them is actually biologically related to me, are yapping, and it's a little annoying. But anyways. So, oh, that's why it's just one y, because it's a 3 minus a 2. Wait, no.
The secret library. What do you need a refresh?
Never mind, I screwed up. Okay, so I'm just gonna divide it here.
When you said the secret library, I assumed that it was like the book.
Yeah, this is enough space.
Secret library.
Here. I'll take this and do it on this, because this is annoying. So, okay. This is more work from over here.
Yeah.
And boom. So that's why it does that. 10y4 divided by 5y2 is itself. 15y. 15 divided by 5 is 3. y3 minus y2 is y. And then 5, yeah, that divided by itself is just itself. And so, oh, what the heck? I just knocked a flower off. I'm sorry. Well, anyways, I'll just put this here. Aesthetic reasons. Let's go. Yes. Aesthetic math homework, y'all. We're romanticizing. I'm so sorry. Anyways, so, like the thing we did earlier, we factor both of these. Since this actually has a number this time, focus. Since this actually has a number this time, we're gonna take the factors of that number. What multiplies to make 5? 1 and 5, because this is prime. I'll write that there, and I'm not gonna repeat it because this is a stream and you can go back at any time. You're not gonna miss anything. Don't worry. Anyways, here, let me just. Whoop. I know I just said I wasn't gonna repeat it, but it's technically not repeating because it's this number instead. 1. 1 is technically prime because it doesn't multiply by anything other than 1, like hello. And so you got 1 times 5, but this is the y. So carry that down there. And it's either, I'm just gonna do this, 5y, because it's gonna be the same anyway, because you got a 1 here. So 5y, put a minus at first because it's Oh my gosh. Okay. Put a minus at first because you can edit it at any time. And then a regular y because there's 1 here. And 1y is just y. And then we're going to do a minus 1. We check the sign here. This minus can mean this side is negative, or this side is negative, or vice versa. This side is positive, or this side is positive. And since this is at the front, it goes at the front. Since this is at the end, these go at the end. So we're going to do 1 and a 1. Like that. I'm looking at the screen, right? So it's a little bit sloppy, but it's fine. And then basically, you do the little multiplication thingy. I'll do the 2 ways of doing it. Again, we don't know if it's actually a minus for both of these yet. It may be, but we don't know. So you can do it like this, or like this. I'm gonna do the long form way because I actually get it now. Yippee! And so negative 1y, negative 1 times y is negative y, because if you multiply 1 by something, it's just gonna be itself. So negative y, and then negative 1 times 1, negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. I don't know why math did that. It's a little bit stupid. Shouldn't it be a double negative? That's a joke. Also, real quick, you can remember a negative times negative is a positive because 2 lines means, yeah, so I don't know how to explain that with words. But anyways, we did negative 1 times y. We did negative 1 times negative 1. Let's go to the 5y now. Basically. No, it's not going to be. Hold on. I have an eraser on this. Yay. Okay. So 5y times y is just going to be positive 5y2. And 5y times negative 1 is just going to make it negative. So this is a negative 5y. And yeah. And we had this at first, so we want to make sure. Wait, no, okay. We had this at first, so we want to make sure this equals what this is going to be. 5y2, we put that at the end because it has the biggest exponent. And okay, honestly, I don't know why I did that. I think I did this wrong. I'll do the easier version, though, and see if that makes sense after. So 5y2, again, because it's, yeah. What the heck? Well, anyways. And then negative y minus 5y is just negative 6y. Because, yeah. And then plus 1, that just goes at the end. As you can see, we did not end up with this. That's why I don't do this method, because it's overly complicated and you're probably not going to get the right answer anyways. So I just take this method and I just do this. You can also figure out that it's like, yeah. So you can figure out if this is a positive or a negative. Like this. I'm going to stick this to the paper again because it's coming off. I've officially been over an hour. I'll finish this up and then get done. So. And 5y times negative 1 is negative 5y. That's gonna end up being 6y unless we do something. Okay, honestly. Look, I'm tired. I have homework. If you want to get the answer, finish it yourself so then you can get better at factoring than I am. I'm gonna real quick. It's not. Hello? But yay. Okay. And y'all have a good night. At least it's probably night now because, well, look at the sky. It's probably morning now. Yes, I mentioned that already. It's probably morning right now for that one people in India. So get sleep, please. Anyways. What? What?
It's 6 o'clock.
And what?
You need to start your homework.
I'm doing my homework. I'm just streaming how I'm doing it. As I was saying. Did you just... Okay. I think she's on my stream. My cat just snored. Okay. Anyways, I am done with the stream now. To the one person that is probably definitely my mom that just joined the stream. Have good. I already finished. So, yeah, it sucks a little bit. Yeah. Bye. Also, real quick, if you have a question, then ask it like right now because I'm about to end this. So, I'll give you until the hour and 3-minute mark. Okay. Well, there isn't a message, so that's okay. I'm gonna go now.